With all eyes on Irma, folks here at home aren't wasting any time preparing. In fact, water is already sold out at some stores, including one busy spot in South Tampa. Our Melanie Michael live tonight at Walmart on Gandy Boulevard. And Mel, no water at all there?
Indeed, Jen. Good evening to you. Sold out in less than 12 hours. 2 truckloads gone. Gone. If you're waiting to stock up for the storm, you're already late. Those wanting water got it and got out. This is what's left behind at Walmart in South Tampa. Empty shelves and confused customers. Across town in Carrollwood, Todd Rix did not want to wait, and he's glad he didn't.
The water is definitely scarce.
This Tampa Bay native tells us there's no way he'd procrastinate his prep work for the storm. With Hurricane Harvey still on his mind, Todd wants to be ready with plenty of supplies just in case.
Oh boy, here it comes. Let's try to get some things in place early.
I've got water and batteries and stuff on my list.
A list that also includes baby food. Laura Roberts is shopping for her little girl, Paige, and tells us getting supplies for the baby is crucial. She, too, wants to be prepared well ahead of Irma.
What happened in Texas was just unbelievable. So now, definitely my awareness is up.
We're nervous. Here we go.
All right, the folks here at Walmart tell me they're getting another shipment of water tomorrow. So come early, come often, and do some shopping because it's going fast all over the Bay Area, Jen. But it's a good idea, obviously, to be prepared.
No doubt. Melanie Michael live in Tampa for us tonight. Thank you, Mel.